Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniela Aya and I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. If you're new to the channel, you're welcome. Join this one big happy fam by clicking on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. I promise you guys that it's totally free. Do also turn on the post notification bell as well to get personal notifications from me whenever I post a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. So guys, in today's video I decided to share one of my secrets with you guys, my feminine nation. I have a hair to put on, and yeah, that's basically that though. But if you guys want to see how I revamped the wig, you guys should comment on the comment section and I'll be doing that very soon. So without much ado, let's get right into this video. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and also share the video. Okay guys, so guys, I have this beautiful wig right here, this beautiful wig that I just revamped, and I want to be wearing it for you guys to see. Yeah, this is the wig. I have prepped it and it is pre-plucked right now. It has this clip in it. This is the hair, and then it came with this center closure, yeah, and with the adjustable band. So I'm going to be wearing this right here on camera so you guys will see, and then maybe you guys can pick one or two from what I'm going to do right here. So guys, without much ado, let's get right into this video. So I'm currently going to be wearing the wig right now. Hello. so good. Take a look at the transformation. Sit. Are you feeling this hair? Are you feeling? If you want to see how I revamped this hair, please comment. And the secret to revamping your hair is stretching, because before I wear this wig I stretched it, and even right now on my hair, as you all see, I still stretch the hair. Ew, hello, ew. Budget friendly, how to install your hair. I oiled this hair before installing it on my head, so there's no need for oil, but rather I'm good to go for sit. Oops. So guys, this is my hair. This is my hair. Yeah, guys. So, if you want to see how I revamped this wig, then please comment, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.